are the twins. My name is Yanara.
My name is Riley.
We're gonna do piano lesson, which is not the lesson, but this is do equals C, re equals D, mi equals E, fa equals F, sol equals G. It could be Spanish or English. You can also say them do, re, mi, fa, sol, and even the alphabets C, D, E, F, G by different way of speaking. Now, this is the other one. Left hand and right hand. Now, put your hand on front of you, and on your left hand, the C is on the pinky, and the G is on the thumb, and on your right hand, the C is on your thumb, and the G is on your pinky. It's kind of same, but it's the opposite. Now I'm going to show you how to do Mary Had a Little Lamb with the right hand. This is how you do it. E, D, C, D, E, 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 D, 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 E, G, G, E, D, C, D, E, 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 D, D, E, C. Now I'm gonna do it more faster. E, D, C, D, E, 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 D, 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 E, G, G, E, D, C, D, E, 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 D, D, E, C. Thank you guys for watching us to sing this piano, Mary Had a Little Lamb. And the next video we'll do on McDonald's is the short word for on McDonald's had a party. We hope you put a like and a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Bye.